What's going on, guys? So we're at the shop, as you can see. Got to do a few things to the car today, more maintenance than anything. I'm right about 117,000 miles, I think, something around in there. And about 100,000 miles, you need to start replacing everything, like your belts, steering fluid, transmission fluid, just a whole bunch of things that you need to do for maintenance, just to keep the car running smooth. So today, I've been noticing the last few months that when I go to turn left, the car, it almost sounds like the tires are catching and it's not wanting to turn. So that's telling me, with this being electronic steering, and it's still, even though it's electronic, it still runs on hydraulic fluid. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off today and check that, and while I'm there, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it with some Royal Purple synthetic hydraulic fluid, and hopefully that fixes the problem. If it doesn't fix the problem, that means the problem's somewhere else, and I'm gonna start trying to find that out, because it's only gonna get worse. And with me doing track racing, I can't afford binding up in a hairpin and going into a wall. Alright guys, so about a week-long update on steering fluid change. Excuse me, I just ran a few miles trying to stay in shape, so I'm a little red and a little winded, and I'm in my workout clothes. But for the steering fluid, almost immediately you felt a difference. As soon as I pulled it off the lift, everything was smoother. It was no longer felt like it was catching. It wasn't making it's a sound. If you have the issue, you know what I'm talking about. That was gone immediately. The car handles better than ever before. Like I said, I bought it with about 100,000 miles on it. So this is some stuff that should have been changed 7,000 miles ago. I just hadn't got to it yet. It started getting worse and worse, and I said, screw it. I got some Royal Purple steering fluid like you saw in the video, and it's perfect now. It dries better than ever. If the video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and share this video so the whole Mopar world sees what they can do to fix their steering issue, because I know it is a common issue. Right around 100,000 miles, these cars need that stuff flushed out. As you can see, it was super dirty in the pan. But other than that, guys, I hope you have a great night and take care.